Tax season can make crypto tracking pretty stressful, especially when you're going through dozens of trades or trying to find one specific transaction. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by complex menus and scattered records, but it doesn't have to be that way. What if checking a transaction or reviewing your history took just one click? Whether it's for taxes or payment tracking, digging through transaction history can be pretty frustrating. Now, fortunately, the Paybis dashboard makes it easy. You can pull any transaction instantly with just one click. No spreadsheets, no confusion, just a simple way to stay on top of your records. Your transaction history is more than just a list. It's an essential tool for every crypto user. For a lot of people, taxes are the biggest headache in crypto. Now, tax authorities are getting more serious about reporting crypto activity, and to do it right, you need the details for every trade, the date, how much you paid, its value, the exchange rate, and any fees. Second, it's about security. Regularly reviewing transaction history is like having a security guard for your account. Taking 30 seconds every few days to scan your recent activity lets you instantly spot anything that looks a bit off. A transaction you don't recognize, a withdrawal you don't approve, catching all of this early is key. And the third thing, it's your ultimate proof of payment. Imagine you've paid a freelancer, you've sent crypto to a friend or bought something online. Every entry has a unique transaction ID. If you ever need to contact Paybis support, giving them this ID allows them to find the exact transaction instantly and solve your issue quickly. Finally, think of Paybis as your financial wellness tool. Your history tells a story about your buying habits, your investment patterns, and the flow of digital assets. So before you can view your history, you need an active Paybis account. If you're watching this, you probably have one, but it's the essential first step. Paybis keeps your records private and secure, so only you can see them after logging in. Second, have your email and password, and speaking of security, make sure to enable two-factor authentication on your account. An extra layer of security never hurts. Now that we've covered the basics, to view your transaction history on your desktop, you should... This is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's do it together step by step. You're about to see just how easy this is. Open your browser, head to the official site and log in. Tip, bookmark the official page to avoid phishing scams. On the dashboard, look for the top of the navigation bar and click on Transactions. Your recent transactions will appear instantly, showing the date, amount, currency, payment method, and the status. Need something for a certain time period or only Bitcoin purchases, you can apply filters by date, currency, payment method, or status. Click on any transaction to see everything: transaction ID, date, time, exchange rate, fees, and more. This way you can quickly find both simple summaries and detailed records whenever you need them. So the process is pretty much the same if you want to view your transaction history on your mobile device. Use your mobile browser, go to the official Paybis website and log in with your Face ID, or fingerprint login works also if you need to. From the menu, tap Transactions to open your history. Your transaction history appears instantly, showing date, amount, and status. You can filter by date, currency, or status and tap any transaction to see the full breakdown, including transaction ID, exchange rate, and fees. The mobile version gives you the same features and clarity as the desktop view, optimized for smaller screens. For more straightforward crypto guides, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And that's it. Your Paybis transaction history is always just a click away. With the ability to access, filter, and review your records, you're prepared for tax reporting, account security, and tracking your payments with clarity.